Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to change PIN or password on Revolut. So in order to do it, so you just have to follow the steps. First of all, you have to go and log in into your Revolut account. When you're logged in, you'll be taken to the home page. From the home page, click on the profile icon in the top left hand side corner. From there, you need to scroll down to the section that says security section. When you locate that, you have to go ahead and select that, and under it you have to go ahead and click on change password. It will then ask you to enter your existing passcode. You have to go ahead and enter that for security purpose. Once you typed in your existing password, it'll ask you to create a new password, and for the confirmation it's going to ask you to type in twice. So you need to go ahead and type in twice. When you're done confirming your password, then you might be logged out of your account. So once again, you have to log in into your account with your newly created or an updated password. So that's basically how you can change PIN in Revolut. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.